Hi, my name is Dr. Ritika Aggarwal. I have completed my PhD in May 2023, and that too, my topic was a study of digital marketing in different sectors of Delhi NCR region. So basically, I got this theoretical knowledge through my thesis and all the research. So just wanted this hands-on practice for various digital marketing strategies. I joined this, and it was a good experience for me. Our classes were started with Mr. Prince, who taught us about the content marketing and on-page, off-page SEO. He was very good with a good knowledge. And then Mr. Ravi Shankar, he continued the classes. And the best part is both the trainers were well trained and the flexibility of the classes was very good. They were like the weekend batches are really good for those who are working. And prior to that, before joining these classes, I was working in Bharatiya Vidyapeeth Institute of Management and Research in the administration department and was teaching the students online. And after that, I joined as the operations manager, where I was handling their social media accounts. And with this help of classes, I came to learn about how can I handle the various social media platforms. So it was helpful for me. And with this knowledge, I can teach in various higher education institutes and also can give them training about this various platforms of digital media.